Welcome to the Yum Yum Yogi. Today we will be making the most amazing tasting Mexican tomato salsa ever. While cooking, let's reflect on this thought. My heart is free of negativity and hence I live each day in a carefree way. Let's start with tomatoes. Let's take the top off the tomatoes and we need to broil these tomatoes. So use a pan. I'm using a cake pan, but you can use any pan with a rim and which is oven safe, but do not use the parchment paper that I've used. The parchment paper really burns while broiling. I thought I'll save time while cleaning, but that didn't work out. So minus the parchment paper, broil them in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And now take 2 small red bell peppers and chop them in 1-inch size pieces. This gives it a nice sweet flavor to the salsa. And we also need some cabbage. 3/4 cup of chopped cabbage. And to give it that Mexican kick, let's use arbol peppers. The arbol peppers are very spicy. I'm taking 4 or 5 arbol peppers, but if you don't like that spice level, just use 1 or 2. And I'm also using hing. You will get hing in the Indian store and it gives it a really nice flavor to this salsa and it makes it sattvic. And so I use hing instead of garlic. Now saute the cabbage, then saute the bell peppers. And at this point we have to flip the tomatoes. So the total amount of broiling time is about 20 to 25 minutes and halfway through flip the tomatoes like you're seeing on the screen. And finish sauteing the cabbage and the bell peppers. And now take 2 small bunches of cilantro. Clip the edges off. Don't use the edges, but you can use the stems. The stems, the leaves, everything goes in the salsa. And even though it feels like it's a lot of cilantro, you really need it. Take 1 large or 2 small avocados. The avocados really give it a nice smooth flavor to the tomatoes. And we need 6 to 7 large limes, about 3/4 cup of lime juice. We really do need all the limes. The flavors really pop because of the limes. So even though you feel it's too much, use all the limes. And it has to be fresh lime juice. Now take a food processor and transfer the tomatoes, the broiled tomatoes, the avocados, the cilantro, the sweet peppers and cabbage mixture. The cilantro really gives it a nice flavor. The fresh coriander is amazing. And just pulse a little bit. Don't add all of the fresh coriander at the same time. Pulse a little bit, then add some more. And add lime juice little bit at a time. When you're pulsing this in a food processor, it shouldn't become a smooth paste. It should be slightly lumpy. And now add salt to taste. And pulse again. So like I was saying, it should be slightly lumpy. Don't make it a smooth paste. There you have the most delicious tomato salsa you'll ever make. The avocado, the lime, the sweet peppers, every ingredient adds the most amazing flavor to this salsa. But before we taste it, let's remember my heart is free of negativity and hence I live each day in a carefree way. Now let's taste this salsa. Really, really good. I really think this is the best sattvic salsa ever. And you know what I like about it? That the avocado gives it a very smooth flavor, and the lime and the cilantro, oh my God, it takes it to another level. It's really good. It's a little spicy, so if you don't like it so spicy, put a few chili peppers less.